Hello, my name is Peter Vidjord. I'm a product director here at Ortofon, where we produce mainly cartridges for turntables, and I'm delighted to welcome you. Always a pleasure, and I'm so glad that we could have this gathering here. Lundahl and Ortofon has been doing a cooperation for several years, and we are having this collaboration due to the fact that we are both in the auto business at from different products, but we are aiming for high-end sound and also what is possible to do to achieve next level. Let's go upstairs and look at the MC production where we are doing all the MC cartridges and also the SPU DTX, which contains two of your miniature step-up transformers. Here we are doing this is the end station, so here we are packing the cartridges. But before packaging of the cartridges, we have a massive testing, because even though we have QC, even though we have testing throughout the complete production of the cartridges, we are still testing the final cartridges just to make sure that they are within our strict limitations. The test program and the test records are made and designed in-house because we want to go next step, not just standard testing. So therefore it's more, let's say, more detailed than you would normally do for this testing. This is Marianne, who has been doing SPU cartridges for quite some years, 49 years. That's massive. And we are so happy that you are here. Over here, my dear colleague is doing one of the coils for one of our MC cartridges. Right now, this is a high purity silver wire. It is a 30 micron wire she's using. And if you get really close, you'll see how the coil is wound very precisely. They are like completely aligned. This is a 2-layer, 2x13 windings, as I remember, 2x16. This way that you see that we are hand winding the coils for the MC cartridges using this fixture. This is how we are producing all the coils for our MC cartridges. All MC types, starting from our new MCX series up through the high-end series, the Cadenza, and the exclusive series like Winfield TI, Verismo, MC Diamond, and also all the SPU. So they are all hand wound using a fixture. And again, this small amateur with the 4 silver coils in this cartridge, it's only 2.2 millimeters across, so it's a very delicate process. It's the cartridge. And then below the shielding, we have the 2 transformers. All Ortofon cartridges for all times and still have been made in Denmark.